Hey guys, welcome back to 2 Minute Coder. Today we're doing Leetcode problem 235, which is lowest common ancestor of a binary search tree. So just take a moment to pause the video and read the question. Alright, so one thing to notice here in the constraints is that all the node values are going to be unique and P and Q will exist in this binary search tree. So if you guys aren't familiar with the properties of a binary search tree, it's that the left child will always be less than the parent and the right child will always be greater than the parent. So if we're trying to find the lowest common ancestor, all we have to search for are these P and Q childs, are they on either side of root, right? So because if P and Q are in the left subtree of root, then we search left. If P and Q are in the right subtree, then we search right. But if they are on opposite sides, then we know that we have found the lowest common ancestor. So like for example, say 7 and 4, right? 7 and 4 are 4 is less than 6 and 7 is greater than 6, so we know they're on opposite sides, so the lowest common ancestor is 6, right? So let's just define a root. So while root is not null, we're going to do our search, and in this search there's one of three things, right? So if P and Q are greater than root, search right? So if root val is less than P dot val and root val is less than Q dot val, we'll search the right subtree. Similarly, if P and Q are less than root, search left. Right, so if root dot val is greater than P dot val and root dot val is greater than Q dot val, we will search left. And if neither of these if statements return true, then we know that they are on opposite sides, so we can just return root, right? And we should, every time, we should find the lowest common ancestor, because it does say P and Q will exist in this binary search tree, right? So if I just run this now, we're going to get an error saying that there's no return statement here. But although it's never going to execute, just for the sake of code integrity, we'll write return root. Okay, now let's submit this. Amazing. So that was Leetcode problem 235. Hope you guys enjoyed and subscribe for more.